Hello, my name's Jeremy, and I want to share something with you guys today. And this is the same thing I share with all my other friends, and I try to tell them that work a 9 to 5. There's all these people in the United States that I've watched all my life, especially like my family. And I grew up listening to my grandfather tell me, son, you got to work a 9 to 5 all your life as hard as you can, and then you save up your money, and then you get a retirement, and then you retire. And I heard my grandpa tell me this all my life. And I watched him get his lunchbox, and he would get up at 6 in the morning, and he would go to work, and I wouldn't see him until 6 o'clock in the afternoon. He'd be going about 12 hours a day. He worked for the highway department. I always loved it when my grandpa would come home because I'd get his Twinkies out of his mailbox he'd save for me. But long story short, you guys, back to this story. And I'm telling you guys this because y'all need to wake up and realize that if you're working a 9 to 5 job and you've been told all your life that you need to work a 9 to 5 and save your money and get a retirement, y'all, that's bullshit. If you're doing that, you're an idiot. You're stupid. You're stupid, stupid, stupid. I did it for 25 years, y'all, like a robot, like a programmed robot, paying my taxes, doing what I'm supposed to do, working my ass off, helping the community. I ran a tree service for almost 35 years, cutting down dangerous trees. I had to get 2 surgeries on my hands because I destroyed the nerves in my hands doing it. I love helping people, and I especially love making money. Making money came natural to me, especially out in the field as an arborist. Sometimes I could make $10,000, $13,000 in a day, and making that kind of money is very addictive. And I learned very quickly that when I would wake up and I would start chasing money, it was a vicious cycle that never ended. And I'll tell you something. If I got $30,000 at the end of the day, it wasn't enough. It never satisfied me. I was never satisfied, ever. It was never enough. The more money that I made, the more money that I needed to get, and the more money that I thought I needed, and it was never enough. I saved my money, I spent my money, I bought things that I wanted and needed, but I've never had that emptiness, that void filled. The greed is always there, and that's the greed of human nature. And once you learn to embrace your greed, then you can understand the logic of it and how it truly works. And y'all, we live in a society where we're taught that these things aren't right. Greed, being greedy, stealing, and things aren't right, but people do it anyways, and we're surrounded by it constantly. Can't trust anybody. And I'm gonna tell you something else. If you get money and you involve money into a relationship with someone else, it's gonna destroy that relationship. Money will destroy a relationship. And money is the quickest way to destroy something between two people, a bond and a friendship. I don't give a damn if it's your mom or your dad. You involve money or a loan or some kind of financial agreement in there, and you can destroy a relationship. That easy. So that brings me back to a 9 to 5 and working. And you guys, I tell this to people. I've got friends that work 9 to 5s, and I try to tell them there is another way to make money. There is another way to get money. You don't have to go out and work a 9 to 5 anymore. You don't have to, because of technology and because of AI. An individual can go online now on the computer or on their phone, and you can Google just about anything, any question about anything, and it'll give you the answer. It's like having a genie in a bottle at your disposal at any given time. And once you learn to properly use AI, you're how can I say this? Once you learn to properly use AI, you will be unstoppable. Making money will be the easiest thing. And now, y'all, I make money so easy. Money just comes to me. You can create stores now. You can create websites You can have AI make you an app. You don't have to write code anymore. You can get 3D printers and you don't need to know code to make 3D printed objects anymore. You can sell objects that you make with your 3D printer. You can do drop shipping and not have to have a store. You can make money off of affiliate market leaks by selling other people's stuff and just using their products, and you get a commission, a finder's fee. There's so many ways. You can use ChatGPT to write books, and you can become a writer, and ChatGPT will actually write you books and stories that you can publish, and you can become a writer and never went to school to go writing. Guys, education is free now. You don't have to go to college to learn shit. Let's say you in school, it does you no good. Let me tell you something. You don't have to have degrees and shit to go do stuff. I went to college to learn how to weld. And the first 3 months I was there, I learned everything that I needed to know, and I dropped out after 3 months. I didn't get my certification, but I still went and I got the job that I was trying to get. Why? Because I knew how to weld. I went and took their welding test, and I passed, and they said, fuck it, you don't need a certificate. Here's your thing. You get it. So, it's all about what you know and how you do things. If you know how to do shit, that's all that matters. And if you can do it better than someone else, that's all that matters. You know, people that want quality, and they want you to be there, and want you to show up, and showing up and being somewhere, it's very hard to do now. Especially when you're dependent on other people to show up. People don't want to show up. And that's where I'm back to where we started again, guys. Working that 9 to 5. And so here's your way out, guys. This is your way out. If you are working a 9 to 5 job, okay, you don't have to do that. There are other ways to make money. You can make money. I haven't left my home. I can't tell you in how long. So, and I don't have to anymore. Because I don't have to go out and work. You know, when I go out and work now, it's for fun. It's for me to help someone. I've reached that threshold in my life where I've learned how to manage money, how to make money easily, and how to live my life happiness. And the only way y'all are going to be happy and free, y'all, is if you are not working. And there are ways to where you don't have to work. Instead of scrolling on your phone, why don't you download a Gemini app? Or why don't you download ChatGPT and start learning how to use it? Go to YouTube. If there's something that you don't know how to do, anything at all, go to YouTube and type it in the box. If there is something that I don't know how to do, whether it's working on a roof, working on a house, electrical issue, if it's a drone problem, I go to ChatGPT, I ask the question, it gives me the answer. I usually back check the answer because a lot of times ChatGPT can be wrong, so I'll go back and I'll fact check it. I use it for advice, I use it to write drafts, I use it to write contracts, I use it for everything, and it makes my business perfect and flawless. Excuse me. So with that being said, y'all, if y'all would like to have any information on how I make money and how easy it is to make money now online, I can give you all kinds of tips. I can put you in the right direction. I can give you advice. And if you need my help, please don't hesitate to ask me down in the comments below. I'll be glad to help you. I love helping people. My name is Jeremy. This is Drone Racers Warehouse, and you guys check out my other videos. And I also have a YouTube channel where I repair drones. And I've got this guy on this is a DJI drone I'll be repairing today. And I work on these because I love working on these drones. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of challenge. And it gives me great joy to fix these incredible flying robots that other people struggle with fixing when they break. So with that being said, my name is Jeremy Baker, Drone Racers Warehouse. I love you guys. Thank you for watching my videos. And you guys got to check out my YouTube channel, Drone Racers Warehouse on YouTube. Check out my videos. I've got all these animals that I've rescued, squirrels and raccoons. And I love animals, and I make videos about it. And I make videos about my tree service, and I make videos about me flying drones and repairing drones. So, I need more followers, you guys, and wish you all a happy Christmas and a happy New Year. I'm going to be moving to Puerto Rico soon. I'm buying land there. I'm going to be making a documentary on my journeys. So you guys got to stay in the loop and follow me for more.